For this project, you will need a deep tin can. I used an old coffee tin. A plastic light bulb socket. You can pick these up at a hardware store for only a couple of bucks. A light bulb that gives off some warmth, but not a crazy amount of heat. You don't want it to be a fire hazard. I used a 12-watt LED bulb and it worked great. You also need a non-flammable bowl. I would recommend ceramic or metal for this application. Drill a hole in the side of your tin and thread the power cord for the light socket through. I tied a knot in mine to keep it in place. Set your socket in the bottom of the tin and screw the bulb in. Next, set your bowl over top of the light. This next step is optional but a good idea. I put my wire in a styrofoam box and stuffed some insulation around it. This serves to keep it upright and steady, as well as keep the heat in. I've been using mine for a couple of weeks now, and it works perfectly to keep the water thawed. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing and check out some of my other content. Bye.